Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use a jump starter air compressor. First, familiarize yourself with your device's components and always consult its user manual for precise instructions. Safety is paramount, so ensure you are in a well-ventilated area and wear protective gear like gloves and eye protection. This preparation helps prevent accidents and ensures a smooth, safe operation. To jump-start your vehicle, first attach the red clamp to the positive terminal of the dead battery. Next, connect the black clamp to a clean, unpainted metal part of the engine block, away from the battery. Power on the jump starter and allow it to charge for about 1 to 2 minutes. Then, try starting your car. Once it starts, disconnect the clamps in the reverse order, black first, then red. For tire inflation, begin by removing the cap from the tire valve stem. Firmly attach the air hose nozzle to the valve. Use the compressor's controls to set your desired tire pressure, which is often between 30 and 35 psi for standard passenger vehicles. Keep an eye on the pressure gauge and turn off the compressor as soon as the correct pressure is achieved. Remember to replace the valve cap. To ensure your jump starter and air compressor remain reliable, always recharge it fully after each use. Store the unit in a cool, dry environment, away from extreme heat or cold, to preserve its battery life. Periodically inspect all cables and connections for any wear or damage. Keeping the device clean and free of dust will also contribute to its optimal performance and longevity, ready for when you need it most.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.